The number one affiliate marketing mistake beginner make. This is the tutorial I want to teach you guys today in this video. So do well to subscribe, like and share this video. If you are just starting affiliate marketing, this particular video will help you a lot, because if you watch the video from the beginning to the end, we are going to learn a lot in this video. So I'm going to walk you through step by step on my slide right now, so that I can show you a lot of example, the mistake most beginners normally make when it comes to affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you. All right, so just make sure to stick around and watch this video to the end. You are going to learn everything in this particular video. So one of the mistake people normally do when it comes to affiliate marketing, if you are just in new affiliate marketing, all right, there is one mistake you really need to avoid, and it is something many beginners do without realizing. It's very all right. So let me just give example of what people normally do on social media, so that you can learn from that particular mistake. So this is example of what people normally do on social media. So don't be putting your link like this. All this is spamming. You are spamming. All right, so this is one of the example that you should avoid when you want to start your affiliate. Don't be just posting link everywhere on social media. You have to just give them example, give them the value, then you recommend via your bio, or you send them to your own personal website or blogs. All right, so that is the mistake you need to just avoid when you come to affiliate marketing. Try to avoid this particular. It's very important. All right, let's move to the next step. Like I just showed you right now that this is number 2 step you need to follow. Posting affiliate link everywhere. Posting affiliate link everywhere. All right, the mistake is thinking affiliate marketing means posting your link everywhere, asking for people to buy. Is very bad. When you start doing buy my something, buy this, click my link, don't miss out, whatever, all this kind of thing, you should avoid this kind of thing by just showing your link everywhere on social media. All right, all this kind of thing, try to avoid it. To be just be posting your link everywhere, buy this one, join this one, join this one. So it's totally not good enough when you want to start your affiliate marketing. It's totally don't do that kind of thing. It's totally. So don't be posting your link everywhere. All right, make sure you give them the value first, educate them, then you recommend your own particular product to people. So let's move to the next step. So all right, so what people need is that let's move to the step 3, is that people don't want to be sold to. All right, to be sold to all the time. All right, people don't want to be sold to all the time. All right, people don't, so what people want, they want information, solution, education and recommendation that are relevant to their situation. All right, so this is what you need to be doing. All right, you have to just, what they want is to information, solution, education, then you recommend your own products to them that will solve their own particular problem. So those are the rules you need to follow if you want to succeed in affiliate marketing. Try to follow these rules and try to like this video and share the video. Make sure you watch this video to the end. You are going to learn a lot, because try to avoid all this mistake when you want to start your affiliate marketing journey, anytime you want to start. So let's move to the next step so I can show you a lot of example. So this is another example I want to give you guys today. All right, don't start with what can I solve. So what you need to do is that instead, what problem can I help people to solve? All right, so what can I solve? Start by asking, what problem can I help people to solve? This simple change can completely improve the way you create affiliate content. All right, so try to know what people are searching for online. What is their problem? Then your own product will be their solution, all right, to their problem. So this simple change can completely improve the way you create your affiliate content online. So try to follow all these particular steps. So when you follow this step, you are going to see improvements in your affiliate marketing. Let's move to the next step right now. All right, so the next step right now is to just show you to find a real problem. All right, to find a real problem, ask, what is my audience struggling with? All right, what is my audience struggling with. All right, so what is your audience struggling with? All right, what question they ask and what are they trying to achieve? All right, so this kind of thing is very, very important. All right, so let me just give example. All right, what people normally search for on the internet so that I can show you all right, so how you can just create a content about that particular problem, and then your own particular product or service will be their solution to their problem. So let me just give you example on YouTube. All right, just say as an example, let's say how to create, all right, YouTube. All right, you can see this you can see just YouTube thumbnail. All right, as an example on Canva, you can see how to create YouTube, all right, thumbnail, all right, something like this. You can see how to create a YouTube on Canva. So those are the things you can see when you become an affiliate of this company, all right, Canva, all right, then you are going to make a videos about this particular Canva. Canva is one of the company you can also join to become their affiliate marketer to market, you know, their product and site to people. You can see they say how to create a YouTube thumbnail on Canva. You can see all this kind of thing. This company can also partner with them, and so when you partner with them, they have an affiliate offer. You can just join, then you sign up to become their affiliates. So when you recommend it to them, all right, can you see those are the questions? Can you see, can I create YouTube thumbnail in Canva? How do I create thumbnail image for YouTube? How do I add a custom thumbnail to Canva on a video? What site is YouTube thumbnail on? So all that, these are the people, these are the what people are searching for right now on the internet. So when you make a content, a video, then you recommend a service for them, people will definitely buy because you have already, you know, give them the value, educate them on how to create a YouTube thumbnail on Canva. All this kind of thing, this is what people are looking for. Then that is how you are going to make money in affiliate marketing. When you recommend service to people, then when they click on your link, you are going to get commission. So you can partner with any company like Canva, whatever. I'm going to give you guys. So let's move on to the next step so that I can show you exactly what you need to do in this particular video. So all right, so it's very, can you see just what question are they asking, what are they trying to achieve? So that is the thing you need to just follow so that you are going to, your affiliate marketing journey will be improved. So then create a useful content. Number one, tutorial, tips, checklist, comparison, and review. It's very, very, you see, it's very, very important. You have to just create a useful around that problem. Then you can make tutorial, tip, checklist, comparison, review, and other educational content. It's very, very important. You can just, you know, some people don't know how to even edit video on CapCut. You can just show them how to edit video on CapCut, how to do so. A lot of things people are searching for right now online. Then you are going to make video around it. Then you recommend the link to them. Then they will definitely buy from you. So let's go to the next step, which is another step, which is number 7, which is you have to just try to help them first. So you have to just make sure to help them first, useful content, through then you relevant recommendation. All right, it's very, very important. So once you help someone understand or solve a problem, you can introduce a relevant product or service that may help them further. So that is where your affiliate link become useful when you partner with company. All right, so make sure you follow all this particular example. So let's move to the next step right now. Is example is that all right, instead of saying buy this video editing tools, you are going to say something like you know, you could create a tutorial showing beginner how to create professional video without showing their face. Then you recommend, then you demonstrate the tools to them. Then when you recommend to them, they will definitely buy from your links. Try to learn. All right, so just make sure to create a professional video without showing your face. So sorry, just say try how to create professional video without showing your face. So then you demonstrate, then you now recommend your link to them when you partner with any company that is providing AI editing videos software that you can promote to people. When people see, they will definitely buy from you. You have to just be recommending sorry, you have to just be giving them the value, showing them how to do it, then you recommend your link to them. They will definitely buy from you. It's very, 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 very important to follow this rule. Then you are going to see a lot of improvement in your affiliate links. So let's move to the next step. Is then the affiliate content formula. You have to follow this rule, the affiliate content formula. All right, so it's very, very important to understand this particular formula. All right, so you can just remember problem, value, then recommendation, and finally your link. So it's very, follow this thing, find the problem they want, they are looking for, find their problem. What are they passing through? What problem are they passing through right now at the moment? Then you give them the value, then they trust you, recommendation, then your link. It's that simple. So all this kind of thing is very powerful when you want to start your affiliate marketing journey. So it will help you a lot to to improve very well in your affiliate marketing journey. All right, let's move to the next step right now. The next step right now is to don't spam your link. All right, like I teach you earlier, don't spam your link. All right, instead, don't turn your every post into an ad advertisements. Teach people, help people create useful content, recommend relevant product, and repeat the process consistently. Always teach people, help, create, recommend, then you repeat. So that is what you need to be doing. Don't be spamming your link over and over on the internet. It's very, very not recommendation for you. But if you want to start your affiliate marketing journey, all right, try to teach people, help them, create, recommend, then you do what? Then you recommend your link to them. So let's move to the next step right now so that you can see how your affiliate journey will change. All right, so now the next step right now is to try this today. All right, here are something you can do today. Choose an audience, find one problem, create one helpful video, recommend one relevant solution, and then provide your affiliate link for people who want to learn more. Simple as ABC. Simple. Just choose an audience, one audience, find one problem, create a helpful video, recommend one relevant solution to them, add your affiliate link. Add your affiliate link. It's very, very, very important to do so. All right, it's that simple. So try to follow all these particular 5 steps. All right, choose one particular audience, find a problem they are passing through, create one particular videos, then recommend one relevant solution, add your affiliate link to them. It's that simple and easy. It's that simple and easy. So let's move to the final stage. If you want a complete beginner roadmap, all right, so this is one of the guides I want to recommend to you in this video. All right, we call it affiliate marketing from zero. All right, how affiliate marketing works, how to choose a niche, how to find legitimate program, how to create a content, how to promote without showing your face. You are going to learn it in this particular guide. So try to get your own today. The link in the bio. You can check the comment section, or you can check my bio. You can even contact me on WhatsApp, Telegram. I'm going to give you the link. Just check the comment below, or check my bio, check the description of this video. You are going to learn. So what you are going to learn in this particular guide is to how affiliate marketing works, how to choose a niche, how to find a legitimate program, how to create a content, how to promote without showing your face. You are going to learn everything in this particular guide. So don't miss out. Stop chasing sales. Start solving problems from today. Follow for more affiliate marketing tips in this particular YouTube channel. You are going to learn a lot of things. Thank you guys for watching the video. Try to get your guide today. Is very, very important so that you can improve in your affiliate marketing journey. You are going to learn a lot in this particular guides. All right. So this is what you are going to get when you get to this particular guide. All right, this is Learn Affiliate Marketing from Zero, the complete beginner roadmap to your first commission. What you are going to get in this particular guide is to, let me just show you what you are going to get. All right, how everything you will learn, a complete path from zero to your first commission, nothing skip, nothing assume. So how affiliate marketing actually works, then how to choose your niche, you can, how to evaluate products with how to promote products without ever showing your face, how to use AI tools to speed up your content creation, the most common beginner mistake, and how to apply all these things you are going to learn in this particular tutorial, guide. Then how affiliate link and commission work behind the scene, everything you are going to learn it today in this particular guide. So try to get your guide today and learn more very, very well. Thank you guys for watching the video. Try to get your guide right now and improve in your affiliate marketing journey. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye for now. Follow for more tips on affiliate marketing guides.